Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. And in my last video I talked about how you can earn 1k per day as a freelancer using this website called sidegig. So I have a lot of questions about how they can perform tasks, and people were having challenges of verifying their social media account and performing tasks. So this video is going to be a walkthrough on how you can perform tasks on sidegig. Okay, so I'm just going to walk you through on how to do them. Before continue watching this video, if you have not watched the previous video on how to sign up on sidegig, how to create your account, how to withdraw, and how to go about sidegig, so you have to click on the card on top of this video and go over there and watch it before coming over to this video. Now this video, first of all, you have to verify your social media account. As you can see, the first video we did, I insert my Instagram account, of which it has been verified as of the time of this video. I've already went ahead and insert my Twitter account, my TikTok account, and Facebook account, and my YouTube account. So this account are other review. So my Instagram account has been verified. Now what you have to do first, once you have signed up with sidegig, so you have to verify your account. Okay, so you have to impute your account. Imputing your account is very easy. It's a very simple process. Just click on this add new. So you have to select the social media or the platform you are inserting. So let's say you are inserting Instagram. Just click on Instagram. Then you have to put your username right here. Okay, so your username must be here. So once you put your username here, so once you have inserted your username here, you have to copy the link of your Instagram account. Okay, the link that link directly to your Instagram account, you have to copy it and place it right here. This is the profile URL. Make sure you place it right here. Then you click on save. So once you click on save, it's going to save up and it's going to be reviewed within the next 24 hours. So you have to put all your social media accounts. You have to put your Instagram, your Twitter, TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. Repeat the same process in putting this social media account. As you can see, social media requirement: a profile picture compulsory, minimum of 5 posts compulsory. Note, any page you submit must be owned by you and must represent a living being. So this is very simple, guys. So now let's go over and perform a task. Just come over to dashboard. So as you can see, I've completed one job and I have 3 naira as my wallet balance, and I have 92 jobs active right now. So it is to be noted that all amounts stated are in naira currency. Now for you to perform a task, it's very simple. Just come over here and select any task here. These are the trending tasks. If you don't want to select task from here, you can just come over to this hamburger. Then you can come to task fully. Then you can access all the whole task right here. But I'll just go over to my dashboard and I will select a task here. So let's say I want to follow this IG. Just click on view. Okay, right, this task. So once you click on the link, it's going to bring you here. Now this is an active task and our balance here is 3 naira, of which our earning here is 3 naira, and the rate of this task is 28,545 have performed this task, and they need a minimum of 30,000 plus to perform this task. So this task is very much available and active. Now what we're going to do right now is to come over to the task description and read the description. Now please ensure you are logged in. Click on the link below and follow user on Instagram. Note, do not unfollow the users to avoid ban. If you already follow the user, please ignore the job to avoid ban. Now what you are going to do right now is to just follow the user. That's the task. So once you follow this user, you're going to earn 3 naira. So once you are done with your task, you come over to proof of task and you are going to submit your task here. So let's go over and perform this task. So what you are going to do right now is to click on this Instagram link, this link down this place. So what I'm going to do right now is to click on this link. So once you click on this link, it's going to load up our Instagram page, and what we are going to do simple is to follow this page. Just follow the page. So we are done with the task. So just come over to proof of task. Then we are going to solve this maths. 23 plus 1 is 24. Just put 24 down here and type on finish task. Click on finish task. So as you can see, our job submitted successfully. All gig will be checked before withdrawal is processed. And so now let's come over to complete task and see. Now I already have 2 tasks completed, which is 6 naira. So this is very easy, guys. So with this, you can perform tasks within 5 seconds. Okay, the reason this was slow is because I was showing you and showing the process. If I'm to perform this task on a normal note, it won't take me more than 10 seconds to complete this task. So this is very simple, and this is a very easy way. This is our wallet balance, which is 6 naira, and we already completed 2 jobs. So we still have 90 jobs remaining. So in every minute, SideGig update their task info. That means a task is added in SideGig every minute now and then. So this is the easy way you can perform tasks on SideGig and get paid your money into your bank account. So I believe you enjoyed this video. If you have not watched the first video on how to get started with SideGig, just go over and watch that video before coming over here. So this is a simple way you can perform tasks and earn in SideGig. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you got value from this video. If you got value, please give this video a like and do well to subscribe to my channel. If you want to make more money, if you want to increase your business, you want to increase your wealth and impact, please do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on post notifications so that YouTube will remind you anytime I drop valuable video like this that will help you make more money online. With that said, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.